What's up, guys? NJ Slot Guy here from the Gold Nugget Atlantic City in a high limit slot room. We are at Lightning Cash Sahara Gold Major Jackpot sitting at $7,436. We're going to do the dollar denomination at $25 a spin, $7.50 in. Let's spin, let's win. One more. Oh. Shout out to East Coast Slots. Oh, 95 there, not bad. There we go. Nice little 85 banger there. Three more. Oh, those are some big ones. Come on. Let's get it. Oh, come on. Oof, that would have been a good one. Oh! Would have taken the little amounts there, guys. Would have taken something, anything, right? We got two hits, one for that 85, one for that 95, but that's it. Man, what's going on? Life here outplaying 95 again, brings to an even 400. Oh, you know what's funny? I think I have a $5 voucher I should throw in here. Hang on. From that double jackpot. Let's see if I can get that without shaking everything up. All right. Why not, right? Bam! 311, good band. Man, it's really messing with us, huh? Come on. We needed something there. 30 bucks isn't gonna give us much more. Oh, the nines might save the day for 150. Look at that, guys. Little life, little life. Come on now. Oh, man. Come on, here we go. How about 6? Oh, that would have been cool if we would have dropped the one in the beginning there like that. Would have been a little surprise, but couldn't get that lucky, huh? They're not gonna give us this one, are they? Let's see. No shot. And that's going to do it from Sahara Gold. Minus 750 on that session there, guys. And we will have some more videos for you soon. What's up, guys? NJ Slot Guy here from the Gold Nugget Atlantic City in the high limit slot room. We are at Lightning Cash, Magic Pearl, Major Jackpot sitting at $74.96, just under $7,500. We're going to be doing the 50-cent denomination. We're going to start at $25. I don't know. We'll see. Let's spin, let's win. You can't leave me with these decisions. That's what I don't like about the new school machines. You go to the old school machines, I got no choice. You know, I go to $10 triple double diamond, I got no choice. I'm playing $20 a spin. This one, I could bounce back and forth. You know, like, what are you, crazy? Don't give me all those options. I'm a degenerate. I may hit the wrong button. All right. That's enough for that rant. Now let's rock and roll. Let's make some money, all right? Looking for 3 dolphins. We might bump up to, I don't know. Nah, we probably won't. We'll stay where we are. I don't like bouncing around too much. But you do get, well, you do get 50 lines at the 10 cent, 25 cent denomination. Sometimes that can really work out in your favor if those wilds hit. So maybe we will, maybe we won't. Don't know yet. We'll see. Some mermaids helping there. Come on, pearls, let's go. Oh, I hate when I do that. Can't stand when I do that. Oh, that would have been cool. Nothing? Come on, man. We're down to 150. You didn't give me anything yet. Just teasing me with some free games and give me BS, you know? Do something for me here. Yeah, come on. We need it. Yes. Back in the mix. We needed some kind of life there, man. Maybe now it'll wake up. I don't know. Hopefully. Come on. Those were low numbers. They could have gave me that. Two more. Ah, come on, just give it to me once. No, alright. Well, never know. Come on, a couple more spins. Get lucky. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, lightning cash then? That's gonna have to happen here, huh? Crap. Wait, no. Return to game, we'll just do a 1250 spin so we get the most out of that. Never know! What? Tell your friends. Guys. Wow. Come on, make something happen now. Come on, let's set some records. Come on, let's set some records. My mind didn't think quick enough. I would have hit press bolt, guys. Could you imagine if some wild stuff happens right now? Oh, the free game would have been cool. Re-trigger. How about a pearl? All right, we'll take that. We'll definitely take that. Beauty. Come on, do it again. It's all right. Hey, man, can't be upset. Look at this. Should we keep going? Yeah, you know what? We'll stay at the 1250. That's what saved us, right? Gotta give it some respect. What? See all that? Can't cash this out yet, right? I do recommend it though to anybody out there watching. You get down to $3.50, whatever I was at, and then you get lucky like that and get up to almost 200, whatever it is. Catch that out, walk away, guys. Be smart. That's safe. I can't believe that just happened. Can't even be upset. It was really cool that that happened. I was asking for something. I got it at the last second. And then look what I do. I give it back, baby. That's what we do. Set a record. Just do it. Drop 6 pearls. Imagine. No, huh? All right, guys. That was fun. We'll add this onto something for you, I'm sure. If not, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell to stay notified. We'll have some more videos for you soon. Thank you, guys.